Hi, this is Mike at OnPoint. This video surrounds troubleshooting the Spectrum add-in for Microsoft Excel. I'm in Excel 2016. So the issue is, we've all come to know and love the Spectrum add-on to be able to pull data, or rather synchronize data into Spectrum through web services. And every once in a while, Excel may crash or not shut down properly, and this add-on may not load. So when you run into that, simply go over to File and then hop over to Options, then click on Add-ins. And the easiest way that I have found to resolve the issue is down on the lower part of this window, look for Disabled Items. And when you hit Go, you'll see the Spectrum add-in for Excel listed here. You simply highlight it, you click Enable, and issue resolved. Hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day.